Hello students, here is how you do the Introduction Videos homework. Click on Introduction Videos, press Submit Assignment, scroll down, click Record Media. If you see this announcement, you need to change your settings. Si ves a este anuncio, tienes que cambiar tus configuraciones. Click on the three dots in the circle. Haz clic aquí. Go to Settings. Tal vez en tu computadora dice Configuraciones. Go down to Privacy and Security. Vas a Privacidad y Seguridad. Find this picture. Click on this picture. Haz clic aquí. Find the canvas circle. Click on the canvas circle. Find the picture of the camera and the microphone. Next to the camera, it should not say block. No debe de decir block. You need allow. Necesitas allow. The same thing for microphone. So camera says allow and microphone says allow. Now go back to your assignment and try again. Yay!